Paripurna Navasana, commonly known as boat pose. This is a good yoga pose to straighten your abdominal muscles. It works your hip flexors, spine, abs, and abductor muscles simultaneously. In this super short yoga tutorial, we will go over the most common mistakes, how to correct them, and find modifications to make your practice easier or harder. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Sit with the legs bent and feet planted on your mat. Relax your shoulders and the chest lifts and the chin is parallel to the ground. The common mistakes are to round the back and lift up the shoulders as you lean back. There's many ways of entering boat pose, so find support behind you. This is the easiest way as you lift up one leg at a time. Once you feel comfortable, lift up both legs. As you lean back, remember to maintain your shoulders down and back with the chin parallel to the ground. Once you feel supported, extend your arms forward, and you may bring the palms up facing the sky. Maintain the chest lifted. If you feel comfortable, extend your legs even more, bringing the torso lower. Bring it back to center, and slowly plant your feet down on the mat. And now we will enter boat pose without support and just extending your arms and your legs right from the get-go. Seal the space between the inner thighs. If you want to make it harder, extend your legs all the way forward at the same time that you maintain the chest open with the shoulders down and back. It's important that your chin is not close to the chest, that is pointing straight forward to your toes. Slowly bend the knees and plant the feet down on the ground. Another way of getting into boat pose is to place your hands behind your thighs, slightly leaning back, lifting up your feet, letting go of the back of your legs, extending your arms forward. And from here, you may extend the legs completely all the way out. Remember, it's important to keep the shoulders down and back as the chin points up to your toes. Bring the feet down and relax. And this was Paripurna Navasana, also known as boat pose. Remember that practice makes perfect, so keep practicing. Namaste.